Alright, we're doing a quick tutorial on how to do an oil change on the SM100. First you're going to take the side plates off there. And there's two of them. You see one of them has the drain plug there. Take the big one off. You'll see your oil filter, easy access there. You're just gonna remove that once all the oil is drained out. So let's go ahead and drain the oil. We've got our filter removed and majority of the oil is draining out. We'll let it drain out a little bit more. Here's the new filter. I got the part number listed there. You can order that online. You can also get a kit with all of the maintenance filters that you need. Here's the part number. So we've got our new filter in there. We're going to put that on just hand tight. And maybe wait for a little more oil to drain out. So I'm using 10W30. You know, if you're in down south in hotter climates, you know, you might want to go 15W40. I do about 100 ounces first. You definitely don't want to overfill. That's going to cause a lot more issues for you. You're gonna have to drain it all out if you do that. So I do about 100 ounces first. I'll check the dipstick, you know, and I'll get it to about, you know, almost full. I just don't want to push it. I've heard too many bad stories about overfilling oil and running it. So just below full is good.